So I saw your question in the email. I was going to show you how to do part A, and you just need to similarly do the other parts. A certain flight arrives on time 88% of the time. Suppose 145 flights are randomly selected. Use the normal approximation. So I'm going to go into Stat Crunch and Stat the calculators and choose normal calculator. So we want to calculate these. I guess you got to calculate the mean and stuff first. The mean is n times p. Let's see how many flights were there. 145 and 0.88 is p. And I gotta calculate that as 127.6. Then you gotta do standard deviation here for this sample, I guess. It's what square root of n times p times 1 minus p. So we've already got the first part of it, 145 times 0.88 times 1 minus 0.88. And I've already calculated that too. It come out 3.9131 roughly. So you got to calculate this part by hand, but they give you the two numbers you need. The formulas, of course, in the section. So they want probability of exactly 134 flights are on time. Well, that's a discrete number, and we got to always use an interval when we're doing normal approximation. So you got to click on the between here, and you got to give it and you just go a half on either side of it. So go a half, 133.5 to 134.5. Click compute, it gives you the answer. It gives you a nice picture. This is the area. It's 0.0269. And then, if you look here, that's this answer here. Now, this answer may be, top answer may be from the table. And this answer here, is using StatCrunch, actually more accurate than the table. Hope that helps.